Hi, I'm Bob the Cat. I work very hard each day at the construction site. Work is hard, but is needed to feed and shelter my beautiful family. I love them so much. All that matters is that I get paid enough for my family to survive. One night, I was walking back home with my hard-earned cash when a funny stranger approached me.
Hi there, friend. Tired of slaving each day for peanuts? I have just what you need. A limited offer bitcoins and shitcoins that will make you rich in no time.
I did hear about all these investor people getting rich with no work, but never knew how to do it myself.
You just give me your money and I will make you rich beyond dreams. I've just bought 3 houses and a Lamborghini with crypto money. See? You buy crypto today and the value will explode in no time. Guaranteed.
I sure don't want to miss out on this great opportunity. Here, take all my savings and make me rich.
Good decision, my friend. Take all these crypto shitcoins and don't look back. This is the beginning of your new life.
That night, I felt like I was owning the world, dreaming about green Lamborghinis and luxury cruises. My kids having a better life than the shitty life I went through. I woke up feeling like $1 million, getting ready for my morning coffee and newspaper. And then came a shock. All my money and life savings is gone overnight. How can this be? How will I tell my wife? How will I feed my children? My children will starve to death. When I told my wife, she threw me out.
Get out, you worthless flea bag, and never return.
Overnight, I became broke, alone and homeless, and with my exhausting job as the only thing left in my life. But without any reason left to push forward, I decided to totally give up. I was wasting my days homeless and alone in the park when one day I've heard unexpected news. Crypto went from worthless back to the hottest thing on the market. This is insane!